Yeah, Captain Murtala Inusah is here in the studio.
Captain Council.
Captain Council. Murtala.
CC.
Yeah, CC.
Yeah, Captain Council. Murtala.
That's what the captain is C, but the council
Inusah. ESQ.
Yeah, ESQ.
in the
Yeah.
near future.
Yeah, in the near future.
Future
huh?
ESQ.
Yeah. Okay, so can we say pre-council? anyway, what's up in court yesterday? Democracy Hub case. Were they in court?
Yes.
As usual, did it come with drama?
Absolutely, you cannot run away from that. 2 sets, including so the Oliver Barker set and then Ralph Williams set yesterday. They were in court, 23 of them. And so the 2 cases were caught separately. Oliver Barker said 13 of them. Then Ralph Williams said they are 10. And so the drama is linked to Oliver Barker's section because he's still in custody. He's not been granted bail yet. And yesterday, everybody was looking out for the lawyers to make repeat bail application. But unfortunately, or yesterday, they had a plan. The plan is that we will not make that application at the circuit court. We have rather filed an repeat application at the High Court for consideration. Notice that the High Court, when it was denying Oliver Barker bail, one of the things that the court said was that within 72 hours, the trial should commence, and that 72 hours has elapsed. Prosecution is still yet to conclude or complete filing processes, witness statement and disclosures and all that. And so yesterday in court, everything was to the effect that the prosecution is still not ready. But one accused person that we have also been talking about is Thomas Yeboah. And Thomas Yeboah is the 13th accused person in Oliver Barker's set. Yesterday, the lawyers continuously informed the court that the guy is unstable. When he talks, he's so incoherent, you can't understand what he's saying. And so they want him to be subjected to mental examination. He came back and forth and back and all that. So yesterday, the judge, his honor, Mr. Kwabena Kodiobri-Yeboah, said that, look, prosecution should be interested in the health of that particular accused person. And the court is ordering him, the prosecution, I might say, to ensure that he is mentally assessed so that the next court sitting, prosecution will inform the court whether they are prosecuting him or letting him go. You can prosecute, but you can't persecute.
Okay.
So it was a call that the court made to the prosecution. And there's one person also in the mix of this whole thing, Fanny Otu. Ever since this whole matter started, we're told that he's unwell. You know, notice that he and Oliver were at the hospital. Oliver came, went back to the hospital. So yesterday, he was present in court for the first time, and his plea was taken in relation to all 6 counts, which he pleaded not guilty and has been granted bail. But something dramatic happened. You asked me about all the funny, absolutely. Yeah. Immediately, the case was adjourned to October 24. Let's go and watch what happened when Oliver Barker was being taken out of the court. Listen.
I would say, yeah. Ghana, I would say, yeah. Please, please. We are with you. We are with you.
So
Ghana
Yes,
say
Free Oliver Now campaign hit court yesterday. So
I
clearly
see.
that was the
So
scene.
those who are saying free Oliver now, who are they?
Yes, some of them are accused persons. Those
Some
who
are-
have been granted
they are
bail.
standing trial.
Yes, they are on bail. Those who are on bail. Some of them and some supporters who have gathered at the
Free
court.
Oliver now.
Yes, free Oliver now because
Joe
where
boy.
it has gotten to.
And
then
I like the
saw
fact that he just stood
response
there
from-
and was inciting
in
them.
handcuffs there, but he
Osajo
still,
Free Oliver
that did
now.
not stop him from saying whatever he wanted. So that was the scene.
This is interesting.
Yes, at the circuit court yesterday. But that did not end the drama. I was telling you about Thomas Yeboah, the one we are being told that he is mentally not
unstable.
stable. Yes.
Okay.
Yesterday he was asking the police, "Why are you disturbing my life?
Hey.
Because I have not done anything." Let's go and watch Thomas Yeboah after the case was adjourned.
So that day, what happened?
That very day, that was Sunday, I came to station.
The thing they say I'm not a mom. Here Tuesday I'm not a mom. So why they have this?
I don't know what the fuck is wrong with them. Arrest someone to wait for it.
Who is not correct?
Someone to wait. Not correct. You have arrested the person. The guy, someone is not correct. This guy is a madman. This guy is a madman. He doesn't have. They give him a very long time. Up to now, you guys holding him. They give him very long time.
Me, I'm not a mom.
The guy is a madman.
My life like that.
The guy is not correct. He's not correct. What will you arrest?
Yeah, get my way.
He's not correct.
They cut me.
Are you serious? They're not
So why
police.
they are disturbing my life?
He's not among of us. And you have arrested some guy.
I want one car.
They give him bail. They give him bail, but up to now, almost 1 week he's still in the police.
Why they are disturbing my life?
Why? Why do you have to do that?
Why they are spoiling my life like that?
Why are you spoiling the guy's life? You heard what he said? Why are you spoiling the guy's life?
Sit down.
Why? Why are you doing that? Ghana police.
I just
Thomas Yeboah now.
I just like how, all of this, the police are very calm.
Yeah.
And
For now, they
allowing
have to allow
the
their
people to
professionalism
do their protest.
come to
And
the
they just
fore.
calmly carry the
Yes.
suspect
That is-
away
that is how
without
best-
any
Yes, that is how you are supposed
giddy,
to do
giddy,
police.
giddy. Allow the people to
provocation, yeah.
protest.
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
giddy, giddy.
The law will work.
The law is
Yes.
not about
Yeah.
Exactly.
physical
Yeah.
jostling here and there. The law is about let the system work.
Yeah.
The law say go, you have to go.
I must commend the police for how calm they've
They
been.
have
Of
been,
course,
yeah.
a few of them will go
Previously,
there.
some of them will get irritated and hey. But this one is
They
like,
have
oh,
patience.
Yeah.
calm,
A lot of
patience.
patience was-
Even allowed Oliver to
stand
stand
there
at
and
the vehicle.
incite
They waited
his people.
patiently for him to do his show.
Well, a
before
lot has
he sat
happened
into the
already,
car.
so it is
You
not
know.
now time for you to be creating scenes. And all
Yeah,
that. So that was
yeah.
one. So that is Thomas Yeboah. We are told that. So the court has made an order. The prosecution should ensure that he is medically examined, so that the court they will decide whether to prosecute him. He's saying that, why are you spoiling my life? Why are you disturbing me? So you could hear clearly from there.
No.
And then in all of this, there's one person, the torture mates. Remember about that story? The torture mates were told that was going with his master, and then he was also
He was
arrested.
arrested.
Yes, yesterday I caught up with him. He's one of those who have been granted bail. Look, he said, I was asking him, what role did you play? How did he start for you? He said he and his master were about to start their daily routine. And then he saw the people chanted, Chuboy. And that landed him. Let's go and watch Imara Lata.
So that day, what happened?
That very day, that was Sunday, I came to station. I was standing with my master and I just said Chubu, and they have arrested me. 8 policemen. They sent me to it seems their head office, and I told them that I want to urinate, and they begin slapping me and things. And
You just said Chobwe.
yeah,
Why did you say Chobwe?
ask for that one. They asked for me. I don't know.
It's just a word that came from your mind, Chobwe.
Yeah,
Before you realized
they have arrested me, and
they arrested you.
yes,
Did you tell them you were a trotomy?
yeah, I told them.
What did they tell you?
They didn't say nothing.
They didn't say anything.
Yeah, and they sent me to Inusah prison for almost 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
How did you cope in custody?
Okay.
So that is Emmanuel Atta, the trotro meat.
So he just went to stand there and shout Chobo.
Yes, he said he
I
went
said
there.
penny pa.
Shouted Chobo.
Nipa na
But he
penny
didn't do
was.
anything wrong by shouting Chobo.
But he should wait because this is his account during the trial.
Yeah,
Prosecution
we'll
will
hear
show
from
why
prosecution
why
as
they
well.
think
Yes,
that
yes.
he's part. So he's telling me that he said now we have a longer version that he will play.
Okay,
He said
okay.
he's even lost his job now because when
as
he
a
got
trotro
back,
As a
meat.
trotro.
the driver has gotten another meet.
Oh.
Because he
Eh?
has to
Well,
work.
if you have
For
a
2
car
weeks, you
that
can't
need
work
a-
without
Exactly.
you need
meat.
a meet, you have to. You have to. As a driver, you should have about 2 or 3 so that you can rotate.
Hey, sir. I didn't know about that. Anyway.
So that's how the democracy help case at the court yesterday. So the set involving Ralph Williams will come 26th.
Okay.
Oliver will come 24th, and they will come. So these are some of the things that took place yesterday.
All right. So let's talk about
Sexy Dondon.
Sexy
Yes,
Dondon's
Sexy
trial
Dondon.
yesterday.
Yeah.
How did that go?
Yeah, so I told you yesterday the trial was resuming. So yesterday what happened was that because it was the first time in the legal year, the court together with the lawyers and then prosecution now took dates for the trial to resume. Remember, Daniel Esiedu is in the witness box and he's now giving evidence. He's now defending himself. Twice he has given account of things that led to him being arrested, and then he's on the verge of continuing. So his lawyer Yao Dankwa led the team, prosecution led by the Mrs. Sefa Kobache, principal state attorney. Of course, this case is being dealt with by Justice Lydia Osemafo. It's a jury trial. It's a jury trial. And Justice Lydia Osemafo now has been elevated to the Court of Appeal. So now he's sitting over the case as an additional high court judge. But of course, it is a jury trial. So on November 4, that's the day that the trial will resume. Daniel Esiedu will come sit in the witness box and continue with his testimony. So this is one of the things that also took place yesterday.
Let's look at some of the cases coming up.
Yes.
Is
The case
it a day of judgment for
day.
the alleged murders
Yes.
in the Kasoa ritual?
Kasoa ritual murder. I told you
yeah.
about this case. Anytime I talk about this case, I remember the scenes right from the Kandishi District Court, now Adabraka District Court, up until the High Court and all that. Prosecution called witnesses, Sefa Kobache again, the principal state attorney in this whole matter. In fact, it was rather Nana. She's not doing this case, another state prosecutor handling this case. And so what is expected to happen? I told you about 3 times already it was adjourned because the jurors were on strike. This case should have been disposed of long before this new legal year. So hopefully, thankfully, the jurors are back. So today, the parties, the lawyers, and then the prosecution will address the jurors. Then the judge, Justice Lydia Osema, will sum up the trial for them, and then they will retire and come out with their verdict. And so today, you call it D-Day for the 2 Kasoa boys who are standing trial for the death or murder of Ishmael Mensah Abdallah. It's a very, very sad incident. There. So one is 15 years and the other is 18 years at the time the incident happened in 2021. So that is what is happening. So the big story today is that D-Day for the 2 teens. These are some of the things that we should expect happening.
Anyway.
All right. Well, thank
Captain,
you.
thank you very much.
Thank you too.